Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just want to shoot a little short video about my new Bowflex techs. And here we have the Bowflex SlectTech 552 dumbbells. This is the box that they came in. One box there is the instructions on the dumbbells and how it's packaged and everything. And this is how they're packaged. There you have it. The dumbbell. Bowflex dumbbells. SlectTech 552. Bad boys are heavy too. Yep. And the instructions come with it, how to use it and everything. But just wanted you guys to see. I'm trying to get my little gym set up. I got the Bowflex Exceed, and I got my weight bench. I'm gonna build something with that wood that doesn't go with there, and got all the weights. But trying to get to a better me, more healthier me. You guys take it easy, stay safe. Oh, and I got my COVID shot too, the J&J, one and done. Love it. So you guys take it easy, have a good day, stay safe. And as I always say, put some G's on it. And there's Puka and Zeus. Of course, no. Puka may be pregnant again, but it's all good. And I didn't show you guys this before, but on the back there's a little lock on the back, and an Allen wrench that goes right in here to unlock it, to get it off of there. Yeah, you just turn this counterclockwise that way, counterclockwise, to loosen it up so you can get it off. Puka's inspecting it. Zeus is just following her around. Finally got the restraint strap off. Man, it's a doozy. But I got it off. All you do is take the pin, this screw all the way out, then kind of tilt it to the side and pull it through. And of course, all you guys know, all you have to do is just turn it to whichever weight you want it on both ends. On both ends, this end and this end, and you have the desired weight you want. So work out. Oh, got an easy curl bar too, and got a straight bar. So you guys stay safe, be healthy, eat well. I'm even changing up the diet, eating more vegetables. That's vegetables. You guys stay safe, and as usual, put some G's on it. Peace out.